Hi friends, welcome to Step to Digital Marketing. Today we are going to explore the dashboard of a WordPress and we will know which option means what in easy and detailed way. I have a one request. If you are very new to my channel or watching my video to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Now let's start today's video, that is WordPress dashboard. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you log into your WordPress dashboard, you will land it on the dashboard looks like this. The first option here is the dashboard. As its name implies, it is the dashboard of a WordPress. Here you can see all the important metrics like SEO related, recent post, your draft, site health, comments, and many more metrics. The first option under dashboard is the update. The update option under the dashboard is showing all the updates available, whether updates related to plugins, WordPress, or a theme. The next option is posters. This is one of the most used option when you are doing a blogging. Here you got all the list of blogs you have written. You can manage posters here. A post is actually a blog. It's another name for a blog. In blog, we write the trending or a most researched topic in a detailed way. For example, if you search for anything on the Google, then Google will show you some result, and from where you open some links or a website. On that website, we read the answers. Well, those answers are a blogs or a post. We will discuss this in a detail in my coming videos. If you want to know what is blog and what are the requirements to start a blog, you can check my video on it. I will provide you link of that video in the description box and or in the I button. The next option is categories. Categories means in which field you are writing blogs. For example, if you are writing for a toys, then categories may be soft toys, plastic toys, toys for boys, toys for girls, ride-ons, and many more categories. You can create a new category by clicking on a add new category. Here you can give the name of a category. This category means the name that will show on your front-end website, and the slug means the name that is stored in your database. Okay, the website will store in the backend. It is a slug. From here you can select the parent category if you have any. You need to create a parent category before adding any subcategory. Write a little bit description if you want. This is not important. Just click add a new category and it will automatically create a new category for you. On the other hand, it is showing the list of categories already you have on your website. In tags, you can add a new tags here and see the list of all the tags you already added here. The purpose of tags in WordPress is to categorize the posters. Therefore, you should use tags in your WordPress post to enable people to find similar kind of a poster. For example, WordPress tags are important. If you write several blog posts or articles about the same subject, it will categorize them. The very next option is media. Here, the list of all the images, audio files, video files, your documents or a spreadsheet and many more kind of files will show here, whichever you want to use in your blog or a website. You can add new media files by clicking add new or just drag and drop files here. Next option is page. The page is showing the list of all the pages you already created, and these pages may be the home page, blog page, contact us, about us, and many more according to your website. If you click on the add new, a new page will be added after you giving it a proper name. The next option is comments. The comments, as you know, when a blog post is written and someone read it, the user can comment below the post. In the comment section here, you can see all the comments and you can approve and reply to them from here. You can sort as per your requirements. WP form is very easy to use drag and drop form. Using this, you can create a subscription forms, payment forms, or a contact form and many other kind of forms. If you click on all forms, it will show you the list of all the forms you already have created. Right now we don't have any form, so it is showing nothing. The add new option is used to create a new form. You can explore these all options later on. This is not a compulsory to use this plugin only. You can install any other kind of a plugin too. One of the most used options is appearance. The appearance option is responsible for the look and feel of the website. Here you can see the list of themes. Currently 2023 is active, and that is why it is showing the customize option. Rest of the themes do not have this option because these are not active. You can active only one theme at a time. Now the biggest question is, what is theme? Well, a theme is responsible for the overall appearance of the website or a blog. The theme is capable of controlling everything on the website, even the layout of the website. It manages the front end or a look and feel of the website. The theme is responsible for background colors, color palettes, fonts, header and a footer, sizing, positioning, and for everything. A lightweight theme is very important to choose. We will discuss it in detail in my coming videos. Editor option is not for us, it is for programmer only. They work at the core level. Now move to the next option, that is plugin. A plugin is a piece of a software that plug into your WordPress site. Plugin can add a new functionality or extend the existing website functionality from e-commerce website to portfolio to directory site. These all are using the plugins. For example, you can add a new plugin to add a social media icons uniquely. Plugin is used to add functionalities or to add more features to your website, and the theme help you to control the overall layout of the website. Here it shows the list of all the plugins you have installed or a pre-installed plugins. You can add a new plugin by clicking on the add new button, and here you can see the list of plugins, or you can enter the specific name of your plugin that you want to install. Here if we write Elementor plugin, it will show us the list of all the plugins named by Elementor. Now going back to WordPress dashboard, the next option is users. Click on the users. Users show us the list of all the users we have. Users may be one who is accessing the website, who is controlling the website, or it may be an author who is writing the blogs or article. You can add a new author or a user information here. You can set the role of a user from this drop down menu. Profile is nothing but it's showing the profile of a user you have added. It will show here the email ID and its role, website name, and you can set the password, etc. here. It's not that much important now. Now we discuss what is tools. Under tools, the very first option is import. As its name implies, import is used to import the blogs, categories, journals and all. In short, it is used to import the files. The very next option is export. The export is used to export the files or a content of your website for external uses. It may be post, page, media files, and many more kind of files. These options are not to be used in the beginning. We will discuss this in a later on. Once you created a website, you want to import something or export something, on that point we use this option. This is by default plugin. We will use our plugins and uninstall this. One of the most important part of a WordPress is its settings. When we start writing blogs, it is important to do some kind of a settings here. Let's click on the settings. First option is general. In the general setting, set the title of your website. If you have any tagline, you can write here. Here write the URL of your website. The WordPress and the site URL both are same. There is no change at all. A new user role is decided here. Select the date and a time format, whichever you want. Now we come to the writing option. Under the writing option, you can set the category of the post if you forget to set it while posting any blog. One thing I want to explain here is that whenever we post any blog, we have to set the category of that, whether it is going to soft toys or plastic toys, ride-ons. If somehow you forget to set that category, then in which category it will go by default. The writing option is used for that. Rest of the things are here good. Next option under settings is reading. Under reading option, here we set the page on which the blogs will be shown and which page will be our home page. I recommend you to always set the home page to a static page. Create a page that has a name blog to show all of your posts, and create a page named with the home to display your home page. You can set here the number of a post or a blog show on a one page. You can set it to 10, 6, 15 as per your requirement. The next is showing the number of a recent post to show. Here too you can set the number of a recent post. The next option is the discussion. From discussion you can control the comments, like whether the comment will start showing on your website once someone comment, or it will hold for your approval. From here you can control it. You can add some keywords here. If these keywords were in the comments, then these comments will not appear, and this means you are controlling comments by targeting specific words. Very next option is media. The media is used to set the default size of the image you are going to use in the blogs. For example, you can set the height and width of the thumbnail size, medium size file, large file size, etc. If I say there is a one and only one setting that is must for our website, that is permalink. A permalink is the structure of the URL of your website page and a post. You should have to choose the proper permalink. The best option is by post name. It is preferred by the Google too, because it is easy to understand. It shows the website name and then the name of the page and a post. Let me explain you it by example. Let's open any website. From here, if we select any blog, now check for its URL. It is website name / then its blog name. It is very clear to understand that this blog is about what. The last option here to discuss is Lightspeed Cache. Well, it is a plugin that is used to remove the cache files. Cache files are the temporary files that hold the data when we copy or cut something, or it hold the recent data. This plugin is used to delete those all data. So this is all about the WordPress dashboard and all its options. If you have any question or a doubt, please feel free and comment below. I will try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I'm gonna share with you how to create a website with totally free resources only. So stay tuned and thank you.